Good morning everyone, it's been a while, I know. And if you followed me on Instagram, you know why I didn't upload some more car content. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you didn't know. So click on, of course, the follow button on Instagram and you'll receive all the updates outside of YouTube. So I didn't record anything because it's been raining a lot in Switzerland. And it's still a little bit meh outside today, but you know, we're gonna give it a shot. There goes my idea. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's actually raining again. For fuck's sake. What I want to do, or wanted to do, is record a update on all the changes that I've done to the car. So I went to the Netherlands and I went to a, well, pretty well-known company in the Netherlands called Ride Autos. And those guys work on mostly RS models from Audi. They have fair prices, so I went to the Netherlands in order to do some changes. I'm going to head out to the garage, start up the car. You're gonna have a cold start. I'm gonna show you guys how they did all the changes, because the garage also filmed the whole transformation. I'll show you some images from the car event that I went to, because after I did all the changes in the Netherlands, I took it to Springevent, which is a famous Dutch car event where you can do drag racing and well, put your car out for, how do you say it, for pictures and for other people to see, basically. It was super nice. Unfortunately, it was last minute and I had to leave later that day for Switzerland again. So I didn't record or didn't drag race the car yet. And also the car is still pretty new. So I think drag racing is not a good idea if you don't have that many miles on the RS yet. But yeah, that's what I did in the meantime. Time for a cold start it is. You cannot rev because there's a rev limiter to 4,000 RPM, but under full load, it's 100% open. So you still get the nice 5-cylinder sound if you're driving like full speed or just flooring it basically. You just can't rev it anymore. That's the only big difference, I would say. So one annoying thing, I'll make a video of annoying things. I always have to turn off all the safety systems. There we go. Then turn off start stop because nobody uses that. I will leave traction on because it's raining outside. So let's go for a drive, see if we can warm up the car, see if we can actually, yeah, my car is super dirty, but I'll find a nice spot to show you guys all the changes I've done to the car. Let's warm it up, and of course comfort mode, no shenanigans yet. Let's head over the border towards Germany, since it is so close to my house that it doesn't make sense to go into Switzerland, where they have a lot of speeding cameras and I can lose my license very easily. Welcome guys in the beautiful Switzerland, the first drive in Switzerland. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos, because it takes quite some effort to actually link and sync the audio and the video material and yada yada yada. As you can see, the weather has been like this for literally a day straight, so I hope that across the border it might be a bit better. I don't think so, but let's take a look. It is real quattro weather though. This is why I picked an RS model, because 80% of the year it's raining, snowing, not ideal conditions. Where I noticed that with my BMW, the rear wheel drive one, you're basically on the edge all the time in order to make sure that you know, don't end up in a tree or something. Yes, I did like the steering more on the BMW, but the RS is just a better all-round performing car. Like for these kind of conditions, weather and 80% of the year, you're faster than 99.9% of the cars out there, and you just can use all the power. It's like, this is, I don't know, it's, for me, it's just such a good car. Yes, I do lack a couple of things. For example, space, like boot trunk space and that kind of shit. It's like horrible in this car. It's super small. It's enough for like 1 or 2 persons, but for example, I went to the Netherlands, took my dog with me, Pablo, his stuff, my stuff, and the car is basically already full. Oh, this is like super small. And then you have to check if there's another car coming. No, we're good today. I hope you guys can see this whole castle on the left. If not, you'll see it later, hopefully, on camera. Probably just gets caught out, which is fine. And now we're in Germany. As you can see, it's not that far away. It's literally like 10 minutes from my house. It is still raining, unfortunately, but it is super satisfying. So, yeah, as I said, it's like a loggers, woodcutters road. What I wanted to show you guys is one of the changes I've done is this absolutely nice and stunning diffuser. Look at that. It's from Maxton Design, as I said, and it's a diffuser that was, at the time that I ordered it, was like the second one that got delivered in Europe. So pretty special one, since it's not the ugly one with the massive fins with like the drilled things in him. Like this is like a super clean one, and as you can see, it fits the car like super well. You wouldn't expect it. Then we have on the inside, I don't know, oh yeah, this is like the POV cam. So on the inside, what I did is I got red seat belts. As you can see, I have them in the back and also in the front. I wanted to have everything matching. And it wasn't that expensive to do, actually. Could be more expensive, but I mean, for the price, it was fair. Just think that having those seat belts in the color in which they are, it just finishes the car, because it matches the nice red brake calipers and just looks absolutely phenomenal. I have the whole installation process of both the diffuser and the seat belts from the garage who actually installed it. So I'll cut this from their YouTube video so you can take a look and see how this progress goes. Something I didn't expect is actually that like the diffuser would be such a big job. So as you can see, they had to like unmount or demount or decouple the whole back end of the car. So the whole rear bumper had to come off, including the headlights, rear tail lights, sorry, not the headlights, the tail lights, and the rear bumper had to come off in order to get the diffuser off. If you want to do it properly, then you have to put the end tips, which are mounted to the diffuser from the stock one, to the new exhaust, or to the new diffuser, sorry, which actually took them like quite some time. I didn't expect it to be that hard. Like if you remember the BMW where I installed the diffuser, it was like a click off, click on type of job. En here was like completely different.
En die achterkant van die RS3.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the little drive, the shots of the transformation of the diffuser and of course the seat belts. I'll show you guys some shots from the car event that I had. Fucking rain. Oh, die kleur, joh. Fucking dik. Smet kapot. Smet. And I will drive home right now. I see you guys in the next video. Videos which are upcoming are going to be the running costs of the RS3. It's going to be the things that I like and dislike about the RS3. And we're going to have another thing, which is of course a proper review of the entire car. All the things that you need to know if you want to purchase an RS3. Like a fighter jet taking off. Jesus. The turbo sounds. God, I love these roads.